Hi everyone, my name is Lucy. Welcome to my channel. For today's video I'm making homemade pancakes. This recipe is very simple. We just mix 1 cup of all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of baking powder. We mix the dry ingredients first, and then right in the middle we add 1 beaten egg, two tablespoons of melted butter or vegetable oil, about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then while we mix the ingredients we add about 1 cup of milk. Mix it well until it's smooth, about 1 or 2 minutes. Then in a very hot skillet I add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil and add about 1/4 of a cup of the mix. The temperature of your stove should be in medium. Wait until the pancakes are blistered and then flip them to the other side. It should take about 2 minutes on each side. Once the other side is brown, then your pancakes are ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you come back to see me again. Please subscribe and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.